Welcome back to another vlog. Today we are going to the Samsara Rehabilitation Center for rescued animals. It's going to be a fun-packed day. We are here with the happy, healthy kids again and Sarah. We're going to see horses and all sorts of animals. We're here waiting for the maxi and we'll be on our way very soon. We are here at Samsara. We are here with Sarah and her happy, healthy kids bunch. Let's go!
Here on the half of the walk, as well as we have the rest of attendants with the rest of animals on the hill. Mind you, I have Darren down the hill.
It is a wildlife rehabilitation center. We started off rescuing dogs and cats, horses, along with other animals as well. We have been breeding and releasing macaws for the past 17 years, together with a lot of other local wildlife found right here in Trinidad. Samsara is not about those foreign animals like the lions and the tigers. We found that a lot of people locally are unaware of the animals found in Trinidad. Most people know about lions and tigers, hyenas, giraffe, and they don't know about the agoutis and the lap and the other animals that you would find right in your backyard. Right? So Samsara was really built to educate the public on the local animals found in Trinidad. You will probably see some foreign animals, but mostly found locally.
So we have some big donkeys playing with some little donkeys here.
Oh my God! This is great.
We need to capture this moment. I'm doing that. Of course.
A heart attack, y'all.
Yeah, I have it for you.
This is just free.
I'm having a fit right now. Okay, keep your head that away. That away. So what kind of snake is this?
Red tail boa constrictor.
A red tail. A red tail boa constrictor. I deal with worse snakes than this though. With legs. And we're going to feed the macaws. Bird food, bird food. Do you want it? So, what it is, Darren?
Capybara is the world's largest rodent. So they get to the size of a big potong, basically, about this big. They get really tall. And they are considered pests here in Trinidad. Yeah, they eat a lot of the farmers' crops. They're very, very destructive. And you could find them in mostly central and north Trinidad.
Look how we bounce up at Samsara Ranch.
Look
It's
at
delicious.
bounce
Hey! Whee! Trooper team. You know that is a legend.
That's right.
Yep. And before we leave, we just stopping by the little piggies. Hey, piggy, piggy. Oh. Hi there. So guys, we've come to the end of our tour at Samsara. I don't know, he disappeared. He camera shy apparently. Join us again for another YouTube video. Remember, life is what you make it. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Bye! We are here at Samsara's Ranch, a rehabilitation. Say hi to my new friend. Wrap around your hair.
Yeah, that's all I use.
So you walk up like just like the child.
From behind.
You're recording.
Hello, there's a dance. Turn down, we got it done already.
It's me right here.
I'm just here, boy. Pull his back forward.
You want to kiss this here?
Right, you want to go over up and kiss? For the donkey squad. Come on now. But I got it down.
Okay, then we probably real close. Alright.
You want?
No problem.
No? Okay.